Welcome to Ifá Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifá, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifá. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. He performed divination for the seller of Echo and Àkàrà in Òdèrè. In the town of Òdèrè, there were two women. One prepared Echo, corn pudding, to sell, while the other made Àkàrà, bean cakes, also for sale. When their business started to decline, both decided to approach Ìròsùn Méjì for divination. At that time, Ìròsùn Méjì had 3 Ifá priests who lived with him, and their names were Adaroko, Adaodo, Adatoro, Iyangan. These were the ones who performed divination for the 2 women in the house of Ìròsùn Méjì. After the divination, the 3 Ifá priests told the women that their business would prosper if they made sacrifices. The one who prepared Echo was told to offer a sacrifice with a hen, 2 pigeons, and a snail, while the one who made Àkàrà was told to offer a rooster, 2 pigeons, and a snail. They both performed the sacrifices. After this, their businesses flourished, and both items became complementary foods. Since then, it has been rare for people to eat Echo without Àkàrà. Alákàrà was a light-skinned woman, while Echo was very pale in color, almost white. If danger, aye-o, is indicated in the divination, the sacrifice should be made with a brown or red rooster, a red cloth that the person already has at home. Pepper the flames of a fire, extinguished with water, should be used to wash the person's face in order to prevent a catastrophe that could make them cry. If the divination comes out normal, the person should be told that a light-skinned woman will come into his life, that he will eventually marry her, and that their first child will be a boy. However, he should be advised to make a sacrifice with a goat. If, on the other hand, the divination is for a person eager to have a child, they should offer a sheep to Ifá, and they will surely begin to have children.